Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raf. So this is part 2 in the videos about our new demo car, the BMW XM. So we did part 1 where we showed you the car, we talk about the car, we talk about my ideas for it, why I bought the car, why I got the car. This is part 2. So what we've actually done is we've concentrated on the external modifications because I wasn't quite happy with how the XM comes from BMW. So we've concentrated on the external mods. They're now complete and I feel like I've got the car to where I want it to be. So let's show you what it looks like. Guys, starting with the front of the car, how did I attack this car? So the first thing we did, I wanted to put my personal touch on the car, which is why I put on the motor guard plate. So if anybody sees me, flash and beep your horn. That'd be nice of you. I wasn't happy with how this car looked in terms of aggression, and I had a picture in my mind, so I went back and forth, looked at different options, and in the end I've settled for the Maxton design body kit. I just feel it fits really well on the car. So at the front we've got the front splitter, and I think you'll agree it gives the car this huge monster like front end look. I mean, you see this coming in your rear view mirror, you know there's something coming. So lovely front splitter, again Maxton design. They do 2 options in this. I went for this one, there's another one as well. I really hummed and hard, and in the end they helped me choose, and I went for this. There was a back order on this, so I had to wait for it to come into stock. So up the front, number plate, first thing you see, then you've got the front splitter. Follow me to the side. On the side, we've also upgraded and put the Maxton design side skirts. I like these because they're subtle, but they sort of bring the side of the car lower to the ground, and I feel it works really well. They're not over the top. There's not no mad patterns or curves or points in there. I think they look really good. So side skirts either side. Coming to the back of the car, if you follow me round. So the back was something which I was a little bit disappointed with originally. So we've done 2 things at the back. So number 1 is we've put the rear diffuser, and I think this rear diffuser just finishes off the back end of this car. Again, like the front, it just looks chunky, it looks big, it looks fat. So we've got the rear diffuser on the back, again Maxton design. I think it works really well. Again, it's not too over the top. I saw a few body kits where there was too many things sticking out, and for me they were over the top. So I love this. And at the top, we've got the rear spoiler. If you look at the before pictures or Google an image of one without this, so I was parked next to an XM recently and me and the other owner were chatting about it. I think this looks awesome. It just makes the whole roof come back and flow up. And I love the way the body kit in black just works with the green and black on this car. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I hope you'll agree. The cherry on the top, we'll show you now. I originally ordered this car with the BMW 21-inch wheels. I spec'd it actually with the 23s, but then when I did a bit of research and I looked at quite a few pictures and renders on the internet, because I ordered this car back in December or January, I thought everybody who's going to order one will probably spec the BMW 23s. So our neighbours on the same estate as us, Prestige Wheel Centre, they do Vossen wheels. I spoke to them, and in the end I cancelled the BMW 23s, and I am so glad I did, because my car, I've had it next to other XMs, and I think the wheels just finish off any car. So these for me were the icing on the cake. We went with Vossen 23-inch HF5 wheels. I hope you'll agree, I think they look awesome. I love the design on these wheels. They look fantastic. They're 23, so they fill the arch really well. And I think they suit the look of the car. So I was humming and hawing about what color to go for the wheels in, and in the end the guys at Prestige were really good, and we went for this anthracite finish, and we thought, right, and if we get bored we can change the colors. But I'm super happy with the finish. I think it really works on the car with the tires. After the wheels were installed, I thought the ride height on the car was slightly too high. So again, the boys at Prestige sorted me out, and we got some H&R springs ordered in. We fitted them in, they dropped the car down by 30 or 35 mil, I think it is. And I think the stance on this now looks awesome. I mean, it hasn't really messed with the ride in the car. It still drives pretty much as it did. The BMW XM doesn't come with air suspension, so it's not like a comfortable ride like an XM, for example. I think it's more for looks. It is an M car. It sort of drives a bit like my M5. I've got an F90 M5, so it's not too far off that. So I wouldn't say it's as comfortable as, let's say, a Range Rover or an X5, but I wouldn't say it's uncomfortable. But me personally, I love the looks on this car. I think it looks awesome. I think it looks better than any SUV on the road. For me, I think it looks fantastic. The last thing I did to finish it off, the car came from BMW, all the back end was tinted, the front was clear, and I wasn't happy with that. I just thought there was too much. If you looked at the car, you could sort of look through the car. So I've had some friends of mine tint the front windows in the car ever so lightly, and it just sort of blends nicely. And I think I'm pretty much done with the external mods on this car. I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. The car's been fully ceramic coated, and you know, we look after the bodywork really well down here. So it's all been detailed, and I am super happy with how it looks. It's a controversial car, I know it is, which is probably one of the reasons I ordered this car. But let me know in the comments what you think about it. I think it looks awesome, but you know, and I think ultimately that's what matters. It's what I feel. I get really good positive feedback from a lot of the clients who come down here. Let me know what you think. There is more mods going on this car. So as you watch this video, we have actually started doing the audio system in this car. So this car I ordered with the Harman Kardon system because I knew I was going to replace it. I'm not going to say exactly what we're putting in. It's sort of halfway through the audio, and we're just working on it as we find time in the workshop. So the next video will be on the audio and the security mods we've carried out on this car. Hope you like the car. We've nicknamed it the Incredible Hulk. Do you agree with that? Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'm out.